Welcome to the USF Paralegal Certificate Program. Whether you're starting fresh, changing careers, or enhancing your current role, this program is built to give you real legal training on your schedule. Paralegals are sought after in various industries beyond law firms, such as hospitals, universities, corporate legal departments, and government agencies. Our 6-month, 100% online format is designed with flexibility in mind. There are no set class times or deadlines, but all work must be completed by the end date. Our paralegal program includes training on the usage of emerging technologies, including AI, within the legal field. Learn how to use AI to handle your busy work while you take care of the big items. You'll also access everything through Canvas, our learning platform, and gain experience with Lexis, one of the most widely used legal databases in the profession. What makes USF's program unique? You'll be assigned a sitting Florida judge as your instructor, offering expert grading and meaningful feedback throughout the course. It's a powerful program built by judges, attorneys, and paralegals to help you hit the ground running. So, is becoming a paralegal for you? Our expedited course makes sure you are learning exactly what attorneys are looking for in paralegals. Go further, faster, and hit the ground running on your first day.